What's up, everybody? All right, a while back I told everybody that I was going to start doing videos on customizing and upgrading my fiance's Mustang. I've kind of dropped the ball on that because the main focus of this channel used to be just my truck. I'm going to try to broaden that spectrum and kind of include vehicles that we have, as well as vehicles that are, possibly down the road later to come, and include some modifications to that. So anyway, things that we've done recently on this car, I guess not too recently, it's been a while, but we've done a few little things here and there. We added the smoked corner lights, get rid of that amber. We added the paint to match mirror covers and the paint to match quarter window louvers as well. And with the front smoked marker light also comes the rear smoked marker light. And there's not a lot of videos on YouTube on how to take this light out. Originally I thought you had to take the whole rear bumper off, and that wasn't the case after digging a little further into Google. So I'm going to show you guys how to take out this light. Now it's obviously really dirty. It's been snowing and kind of nasty here, so poor car and the truck kind of deserve some much needed attention. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to get you a little flathead screwdriver, and you're going to want to be very careful. Though it's not to scratch up your paint. Just put your screwdriver in here, and all you got to do is just push on it, and it pops out. So you kind of get up under there, and you got to make sure you get the right corner. Push on it, and it pops out. That allows you to change your light bulbs or to switch out the whole assembly. Simple as that. Now, in order to put it back on, of course, you just reverse the steps and basically push it back into the car. So that is how you remove that light. So you can change out your lens, or you can change out your bulb, or whatever. I will tell you that when you put the smoked lights in there, or clear, or whatever you decide to do, you will need to get a red bulb, because the bulbs that were originally in the car were white, and it doesn't really look that good shining white through the smoke. So yeah, got a few new things coming this weekend, or maybe next weekend, to the car. She just got a couple of parts in today. New grill and some fog lights are also on the way, and maybe we can follow along as we build onto the Mustang as well. So yeah, there's that. Alright guys, hope that helps anybody with the S197 body style Mustangs and trying to figure out how to get that light out, and there'll be more to come.